Okay, Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I want to reviewing a book by Jordan B. Peterson. But I want to introduce myself. My name is Danendra Kenzi Mulyaharadi. So let's start doing the reviewing book. So this book, the writer is Jordan B. Peterson, and then the title is 12 Rules for Life, an Antidote to Chaos. So let's talk about the cover first. So this cover is a simple design and reflects the main point of this book, and it shows that the book is not meant to entertain. Yeah. So this is have a deep meaning. Because this simple cover, there is a text and then some elements, and the color, it's good, I think. So now let's move off the content in this book. So the book 12 Rules of Life is divided into 12 main rules. Each rule explains an important life principle that can help people live a better and more meaningful life. So Jordan B. Peterson is combines by psychology, philosophy, and real life experience to explain each rule. So one of the key ideas in this book is personal responsibility. The author encourage readers to take responsibility for their or the author encourage readers for their own life instead of chaos by creating order in this book. So the book also talks about facing challenge and suffering. According the author, and suffering is natural. So tingin, and then so overall, this book is very good, I think, because this book teach how to be good people in this life, with combines by the psychology and then other. Okay, wait. So also the ideas in the book and very meaningful. The language used can sometimes feel heavy and complex, especially for young readers. So some explanation are quite long and require focus to fully understand. So however, the message behind the rules are strong and valuable. In general, the content of 12 Rules for Life teach reader how to become more responsible, disciplined, and confident in facing life's challenge. It encourage self-improvement and personal growth. To conclude, the cover of 12 Rules for Life clearly represents and the serious, meaningful nature of the book, while the content provides deep life lessons about responsibility, discipline, and courage. Even though the can be challenging, the message of the book and is powerful and relevant to everyday life. Okay, thanks guys for your attention. Sorry if I have some mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay guys, so the book of 12 Rules for Life also talks about how people can build a stronger mindset in a world that is often confusing and challenging. Through 12 different rules, Jordan B. Peterson explains how everyday actions and attitudes can shape the direction of a person's life. So the content highlights the idea that meaning in life comes from taking a responsibility. The author explains that when a people accept responsibility for their actions, they gain more control over their lives instead of waiting for life to become master. The book encourages readers to become a stronger and more prepared. Another important idea in the book is the balance between order and chaos. Peterson explained that chaos represents uncertainty and problems, while order represents stability and structure. It's like in the page 148. Yeah, guys, you can see in the ebook. Maybe do not let your children do anything that makes you dislike them. So this is teach you how about the responsibility too. Yeah, in this book, and then you can see in the page 63. You can see. Is treat yourself like someone you are responsible for helping. I guess you can see maybe in the ebook of these 12 rules for life, and the book so also teach readers to become honest people with themselves and others. By telling the truth and acting with integrity, people can build better relationships and make wiser decisions. These lessons are supported by examples from real life and human behavior. In this general, the content of 12 rules for life focus on personal growth, mental strength, and self-discipline. The book encourages readers to face reality, improve themselves step by step, and life with purpose. Okay, maybe that's all for my reviewing a book. Sorry if I have so many mistakes, because the mistake from me and Shaitan, the correctly just from Allah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.